Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full review on my Louis Vuitton Keepall XS. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a handbag review for you. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hello everyone. This is my last bag that I noticed that there was no review for when I did my 2024 handbag collection. I noticed that there were like 5 bags that I had not done a review on, this being the last one. So I wanted to go ahead and give this baby her time to shine, and let's do a review on the Keepall XS from Louis Vuitton. So I want to start off by saying this particular XS is no longer available. This is the one from the Virgil Abloh collection. I want to say it was men's spring summer 2022. This one is not available anymore to purchase just at retail. You would have to go from like a third-party website or buy it secondhand. So just letting you know that. But Louis Vuitton does still have loads of Keepalls, and I do think that the Keepall is a men's exclusive bag. So it would have to be from the men's section, I do believe. So the one that we're going to be talking about today, just to have like a frame of reference, is going to be the Keepall Bandelier, I'm not sure how you say it, 25, because this is the Keepall XS, but it's like the Keepall 25. That is like the smallest size of the Keepall, unless I'm just wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Hold on. Okay, no, I was wrong. So I don't actually know if the Keepall XS is a core, like everyday bag that they have. Maybe they only come out with the extra smalls in certain collections. So the smallest one that I could find on the Louis Vuitton website right now is the Keepall 25. So I will try just to pull up dimensions from Fashion File, because I do think that Fashion File had one of these at one point. Yes, okay. So this one is no longer available. I will try to find some. If you really like this bag, I'll find some and link them down in the description. Again, just do your own research and make sure that it comes with all of the good stuff like authenticity and all that. Just make sure to get it re-authenticated. You know how, you know. So just regarding this bag, here's what she looks like. There's the side, there's this side, and then of course it goes at the bottom. It's like an ombre green to blue at the bottom. And then the handles are like this crazy like mock croc kind of situation, and it does have silver toned hardware. And then on the inside it does come with a crossbody strap that has the same design as the top handles. And then I currently also have my Gucci strap in here just because my Gucci strap is too big to fit in my bag, the Gucci bag. Okay, so on the inside it has this beautiful blue interior. In case you haven't seen it, I have done a full unboxing of this bag as well, so if you want to see that unboxing, I will have it linked in the description for you. And then there's no like inside pocket or anything like that. It's basically just one big open space. And if you can see on the sides, the D-rings are like super oversized. They're really big and they stand out. And then of course the pull tab here on the top is pretty big as well. And yeah, that's pretty much the overview of this bag. Let's go into the dimensions. So the base length for this bag is 8.5 inches, so 8.5 inches. The height is 4.75 inches, and then the width is 3.5 inches. And then the handle drop, just like right here, is 2 inches, and then the strap drop with the crossbody strap is 22 inches of strap drop at the longest setting. Now, I can't really give a price point for this bag because again, I did end up having to buy it secondhand, which again, I would not recommend doing because I was losing my mind over trying to figure out if I got scammed. I didn't, thank God, and I did get this re-authenticated, so she is fine. She is the real deal. Everything is fine. So I just wouldn't recommend going to a third-party website that you're not 100% sure with. I feel like I got pretty lucky with this one. I want to say at retail this bag was maybe like $2,500, maybe $3,000. I don't think so though. I think it was probably around $2,500 to $2,700 at retail when it was like just normally available. I did end up paying like a little bit of a premium price for this bag. It wasn't like outrageous or anything because I wouldn't have bought it if it was like 5 or 6 grand or something, but I did pay a bit of a premium for this because I do know that you just can't get it anymore and I really wanted it. So with that all being said, I'm very happy with it. I love it to actual pieces. It's one of my favorite bags that I have in my collection. Now let's just go over like basically what I do in pretty much all of my reviews, ways to wear it, what you can wear it with, seasons, all that good stuff. So when it comes to ways you can wear this bag, of course, it's pretty versatile. You have a top handle situation that I usually love wearing this bag, top handle. I think it's so cute. And then of course you do have the crossbody strap, so you can wear a crossbody. The only thing with the crossbody strap that I will say is that you don't have that many adjustments when it comes to being shorter. You have a lot of adjustments if you want to make the strap longer, but to my knowledge, this is the shortest it can go. And it still hits me like a tiny bit below my hip. I do wish that it was a tiny bit higher, just a smidge, to where it would kind of be like here, kind of sitting on my waist area and not a bit below my hip. So I do wish that the crossbody strap had a few more adjustments on there to make the strap shorter, but whatever. Yeah, so that's pretty much my only complaint regarding the strap. I also will say the strap is a bit, not cumbersome or anything, but it's just a lot of pattern. When I wear this bag, I know that I'm going to be wearing a very simple outfit, but the handles being the different like shade, a different texture, and like a different pattern than the rest of the bag, having the crossbody strap on as well and just having both patterns just contrast can be a tiny bit jarring, just depending on your personal style. I do wear this bag with very simple outfits, nothing really, no other patterns anywhere to be found in my outfit. I'm wearing like jeans and a t-shirt when I wear this bag, but it still is versatile in that way because you do have the crossbody strap, so you can wear it on your shoulder as well. It would just be a pretty long shoulder bag if you wore it on your shoulder. And I know that the men's collection is keeping men in mind more than women, because again, this did come from the men's collection, and I don't know very many men that shoulder bags. I do know men that crossbody bags, and I know that they could top handle them as well, but I would probably think that shouldering the bag would be the least common out of like the men's style. So maybe that's why the crossbody strap is longer, because men are typically a little bit taller as well, because if it was too short, then it would be too short on the guy. So that, I take all that into consideration as well. So now let's go over styles that you can wear this with. I think this is a very casual bag, in my opinion. I know that Cassie Thorpe, I think, has taken this out to like an event or two. Maybe you could get away with that. Maybe in New York. In Tennessee, where I am, in Nashville, maybe not as much, because I would pretty much only wear this as a casual bag. I wore this again going out to shop with some friends the other day. I have worn this to lunch, and I think it is so fun. It's so spring, summer as well, and we are in spring at the moment, but oh my god, it is so colorful. Like, it's so vibrant. Like, what it looks like on camera does not even do it justice. It's so like neon and vibrant and beautiful and just amazing. So when you wear this with something, especially with like white or black, it really pops and stands out. So it's like you're walking around with a highlighter bag. So you might love that, you might not. I was someone that just never wore color before, but I still loved this bag. And I was like, listen, this is gonna be like my pop of color bag. I am trying to get back into wearing more color. I have bought a few like colored hoodies, so I am trying to get back into it. So this right here was definitely me like really dipping my toe back into the world of color, and I'm loving my time there, to be honest. I would wear this to like a sports game. I don't go to sports or watch sports very often, but if I went to like a football game or a basketball game or a baseball game, oh, 1,000,000%. I would not carry any of my other bags, and this is like a sports bag. Like, it looks like it belongs in like a baseball field or like a football field or something. It looks so great. I would say that you might be able to get away wearing this as a nighttime bag as well. Going to maybe like a cocktail party, that'd be really fun. But if you're going to like a wedding or to like some kind of other formal event, I would not take this bag. It would be a little too casual, and I feel like it would just stand out way too much. So that's my opinion on the ways that you can wear it. times that you can wear this bag, I would totally say anytime. I think this bag will look incredible, of course, for spring summer. Because of the colors, it's definitely a spring summer bag. So I think that you'll probably get the most wear out of it during spring summer. And then in fall, maybe not. In fall, I probably would not wear this bag as much, so I take back what I said anytime. But I think it would look amazing also in winter. So 3 seasons out of 4, I think, is a fantastic, what's the ratio? I don't know. I think it's great that you can wear this bag so often during the year. Because imagine this with like a coat, like a white outfit, a white coat, or even a black outfit. This would look incredible. Now you're probably asking, what kind of person is this for? Like, what's their style, their personal style? And I would probably say, I don't know, because I know Cassie Thorpe has this bag. She loves color, she loves a funky print, she loves a contrasting, I don't know, texture or something. She likes the bling as well. Like, I know she likes rhinestones and sequins, and she loves color, and she's very vibrant. That's just her personality, and she loves those types of colors. So I understand wholeheartedly that she would love this bag. But for someone like me, or for someone that doesn't wear that much color or doesn't have a lot of things in their wardrobe that would suit a bag like this, except for like basic jeans and a t-shirt, I also found myself obsessed with this bag and loving it. So I feel like unless your style is like strictly business casual, kind of like, the only way I can like describe it is like really adult wear, you know, like J. Crew, Express, Banana Republic. If you wear like pencil skirts and blazers and stuff, maybe this wouldn't fit your vibe. Be classic. Oh my God, that's what I've been trying to find in my brain for this past 5 minutes. If you have a very classic wardrobe, and if you don't tend to stray from the classic pieces, kind of elegant style, then I don't think that you would even like this bag, for one. But yeah, I think it might clash with a lot of the things in your wardrobe if that is what you tend to lean towards. So yeah, there's that. Oh my God, it took me forever to figure out that word. But other than that, like if you're mostly a casual person, if you are someone that likes color, if you're someone that likes to play around with things in your wardrobe and like your handbags, it's definitely gonna be for you. And then something else I wanna go over is regarding how much you can fit in this bag. This bag I know is considered a extra small bag, but let me tell you right now, it is so far away from a small bag, it's laughable. This bag I would consider to be a medium-sized bag. Not even like a small to medium, but this is like a proper medium-sized bag. This bag is, again, in kind of like a duffel bag style. I think they're supposed to be in the shape of like a bowling bag, because the Speedy is like an actual like duffel bag style. This, I think, the inspiration was a bowling bag when they created the Keepalls. Like, it is very wide and it is not super tall, but it is a bit tall. This bag can fit so many things, it's insane. Full-on sunglasses case, if you're someone that carries that. It can fit a mini pochette accessoire. It can fit your Chanel hand cream, Dior hand cream. It can fit any phone that you have, literally anything. A Nintendo Switch. Like, not fully connected, like you would have to take off the Joy-Cons and put them in here individually with the screen and the Joy-Cons, but it will fit. I don't think it'll fit a Kindle though, because the Kindle would still just be too tall. It can fit a camera. Not a DSLR camera, but like a vlogging camera, it would fit. It could fit like a mini ring light. It would fit so many things. This bag is truly a Mary Poppins bag. It can also fit like a long wallet as well. That's pretty much it, probably. That's all I can think of. It would fit a fragrance. It would fit a full-size fragrance. If you're someone that carries a full-size fragrance with you, this bag fits literally everything, and I've never had an issue fitting stuff in this bag. So if you're someone that likes to carry a lot of stuff with you, this is gonna be your girl. So in conclusion, all in all, do I like this bag? Yes, it is my second favorite handbag that I have in my collection, my number 2. I'm obsessed with it. I love it with every fiber of my being, and I'm so happy that I was finally able to get my hands on this bag because it's just perfect in every way. That's been my review on my Keepall XS from Louis Vuitton Men's from the 2022 Spring Summer Men's Collection with Virgil Abloh. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Let me know if you also like this bag, or let me know if you have this bag. Or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!